This video will demonstrate the difference in operation between a conventional plunger and a FAR plunger and a downhole rod pump when sand is present in the well. On the right, you have a FAR plunger. On the left, a conventional plunger. We've added sand to both of these units. Notice how much sand is on the FAR plunger side. The sand completely fills up the traveling valve cage. On the conventional side, there's a fraction of the sand present as compared to the FAR plunger side. Now we're going to listen in as we start the conventional plunger and show you what happens when sand is present inside the pump. There was a lot of grinding and stuttering with the conventional plunger with sand present. Notice how the sand settles on top of the connector and plunger. This will cause the plunger to stick even more. Also notice the sand that is caught between the plunger and the pump barrel wall. This is where the problem is. Now we will listen in as we start the FAR plunger side. Notice how smooth it started, lifting the sand and flushing it back into solution without stuttering, sticking, or grinding. The FAR plunger's patented design forces the sand inside the plunger instead of between the plunger and the pump barrel wall, where it can damage the pump or get stuck. On shutdown, notice how the sand settles inside of the FAR plunger and not on top like other plungers. It's easy to see the difference in operation between the two plungers. The conventional plunger was grinding and sticking, while the FAR plunger had very smooth operation and prevents the sand from getting between the plunger and the pump barrel wall.